You ever feel like these headsets should come with built-in IR lights? I mean, seriously, who doesn't want to just turn off the lights and flail away to Beat Saber wildly in the safety and quiet of darkness? Well, stick around, I can help you with that. It's called the KK Cobb VR IR Illuminator, and you can find it on Amazon for about $27 US. Link is in the description if you're interested. $27 seems to be about the middle of the road average cost for a lot of these IR illuminators, but the thing that makes this one stand out above the rest is it's small, it's light, and it plugs directly into your headset via the Type-C port. On the back is a power pass-through Type-C port so you can plug your headset battery pack in. Be advised though, due to a padding issue, while the headset is charging, it may or may not show the power of the headset. In addition, it's a power pass-through only, not a data pass-through, so you will not have a wired connection with your PC. At least I wasn't able to get this function to work. Am I missing something here? Comment below. But hey, why go wired when you can go wireless? Have you seen my review of the VR AirBridge yet? In the box, you get your standard instructions, of course. You also get a USB to Type-C adapter for those moments where you need to plug the device into a USB port. You also get a Type-C to Type-C extension in case you need to plug the device into a Type-C port. And of course, you get the device itself. The device is pretty basic. On the front, of course, is the IR light. And then you got your Type-C connection on the side that plugs into your headset. And of course on the back is a power pass-through Type-C port and your power switch, which has 3 settings: off, low, and high, in that order. This thing performs quite well actually in the room that I game in. I had no issues with my controller's loosen tracking. I did have it set to the brightest setting, which is the one I'd recommend, but I also tested it out on the lower setting, and in my room I had no tracking loss, but I do prefer the higher setting because more light equals better, right? But if your gaming room is very tiny, maybe the other setting might be better for you. On Amazon's details page, they do say the lower setting is for rooms 15 to 20 square meters, and the higher setting is for rooms 30 to 40 square meters, and they say if your room is larger, you can buy a second or more and plug them into power sources and position them as needed. Now, converting the meters to feet and using my room as a reference point, my room is 8 foot by 12 foot, which converts to about 8.8, 8.9 square meters. So I fall in the 15 to 20 square meters range, but I do use the higher setting and I prefer the higher setting. But take all those numbers, convert them based upon your room size and see what works best for you. Can you think of circumstances in your own life where the ability to be able to play in the dark would come in very handy? I don't know, maybe you have a sleeping baby? I would love to know, so please comment in the comment section. And if you got value out of this video, I would be very grateful if you would subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell to receive notifications when I go live with videos. And don't forget to like the video.